What wood look flooring is best for dogs? There are a number of different things to consider when choosing wood look flooring in your house with a dog. The first thing is durability. Durability is very important to make sure that your floor can handle everything your dog's going to throw at it. Choosing a floor with a high AC rating is very important, but then also other aspects such as micro scratch resistance. Laminates are floors with one of the highest micro scratch resistance and also can come with incredibly high AC ratings. There are other options such as vinyls. These tend to have good wear resistance but not so good when it comes to micro scratch resistance. Another type of floor option is bamboo. Bamboo is an incredibly hardy floor covering, but it doesn't tend to be quite so good when it comes to micro scratches. A lighter shade of flooring can also be better, as if your floor does get scratched, it won't show up as bad as a dark floor. There are other things to consider such as moisture, making sure that you have a waterproof surface on your floor so that if there is an accident from your dog, it's not going to seep through and damage your floor covering. Thanks for watching, look forward to tuning in to another one.